Okay, Jacob. I heard you are the new moon leader. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so with those new moon swords, why don't we go and we try to invade Timmy's office? Yeah? Maybe we could steal some resources. What do you think?
Yeah. That's a good idea.
Okay, let's get geared up. We need health, MRIs basically. We need
I only need
we need a bag of MRIs for me and a bag of MRIs for you. Then we need 2 yeet blades per person. Can you do that?
I only need. Okay, I can do that.
Woo! Yeah, because he's the moon leader, he has magic called VPN. Yeah, I know what it is. Don't go in the comments telling me I don't know what that is. He uses a magic called VPN. The moon leader uses the VPN. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. And when you know it, this long sword will duplicate. Just wait for it, and here he is. Okay. Now we need 2 bags of MRI. I'll get a bag of MRI for me. No, we just need 2 bags, actually. Okay, and now, are you ready?
Yeah, I was born ready.
Let's go invade Timmy's office. Come on. But don't hit me.
Here we come.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. It's gonna be scary, but don't kill me. Oh, sorry, Jacob. Jacob!
Bro.
Jacob! Jacob, wait, don't hit me, Jacob. Don't hit me. Press it. Come on, Jacob. This is our lift.
Let's make this.
Don't wait.
Let's make this colored.
Get in, Jacob. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands, Jacob. Raise your hands. Okay, good. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Ow! Don't do that.
You hit me too. You hit me too. I didn't.
Okay, but don't do that. Come on. We need to find Timmy's office. Okay, there we go. Open up. Okay, raise your hands. Grapple to the ceiling. Press the button. Press the button. Press the button.
It's very dangerous.
There we go. Ow!
Oh no! I didn't
Stop
mean to.
that.
And we are officially. Bro, this was not Timmy's office.
This is Timmy Cheese Room.
Yeah.
This is where Timmy
What?
makes his. This is where Timmy makes his minions, you know?
Yeah. Timmy, come out. We're not afraid.
Yeah, Timmy is not here. He's in I think he's in Shelbyville 7.
Yeah.
Which is wait. Follow me. Follow me.
If I die, it's your fault. If I
Follow
die,
me.
it's your fault.
Follow me.
Yeah. Ow. You hit me
Wait.
twice.
Yeah, over here. Yeah, just put me back in my body. I'll swing back. Ah.
Oh. Wait, my brother. Open the box. Maybe we find something.
Open that crate. Open the crate.
No, you can do that.
Ow! Stop that.
I didn't mean to.
Ah.
Anyway. If he spawns now, I'm literally going to spawn.
Okay, Jacob. Ah. I'm trying to get it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, it's just a crowbar. Wait.
I'm here.
There's that's the door. We should open it. Open the door.
No, you open it. You close it.
Oh. Plasma. That's Timmy's crystals. Timmy crystal. Yeah,
I'm gonna die. I wanna die. Kill me, Timmy. Timmy. Kill me.
hey, come and get me!
Kill me, Timmy.
No, come and get me! Don't let Timmy kill you!
I don't like this.
I
I don't
know.
like being alone.
Timmy's base is bad. I don't like it either.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Okay, let's go quickly. Quickly. We need to quickly press the button. Go, go, go!
Wait.
Here, hang on to the walls, like Spider-Man.
Yes. Spider-Man. Can you kill me real quick?
Can I what?
Can you kill me real quick?
No.
I'm scared.
Follow me, that's the exit.
I'm scared.
Timmy?
Oh my gosh.
Well, you have the voice of a Timmy. Keep going, keep going.
I don't like being here.
We never know where Timmy can be.
I just want to go home. Honestly. I'm going to play with this effect.
I got it, I got it, I got it. I got it. Over here. No, the gate's closed on you. Open them. Open the... Come here, where are you?
I'm playing with my dog.
Where are you?
Bye-bye.
Where are you? Moonlit Warrior, where are you? Moonlit Warrior? No. I'm using the, This is bad. I need to go see the Moonlit Warrior. Moonlit Warrior! Oh. 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 Well, I guess. Oh. You're back.
I'm getting a lightsaber.
What do you mean
In
you're
real
getting
life.
What?
I'm getting a lightsaber in real life. Mr. Obi-Wan Kenobi came home to me. And he said, do you want a lightsaber? And I said, yes. He's preparing it. I chose to get a red lightsaber. I think that's very cool.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. No! No! I'm gonna leave. Let go of him.